Hello everyone, I'm Zhang Fan, a Huawei engineer. Today, I'm going to introduce the application launch function of Level 3 autonomous driving on Huawei's data center networks. Cloud computing and digitalization are widespread in various industries. To adapt to the rapid changes in the market, customers require fast iteration and launch of various innovative applications. This requires that network services be quickly deployed. Take the financial industry as an example. A bank needs to urgently launch a bill query application. The application department submits a work order to the network department, requiring the network department to complete network deployment within 24 hours. In the traditional deployment mode, the network department needs to perform detailed network planning and review the solution, and the network engineers manually deliver configurations. The entire process is complex and typically takes weeks. In addition, the process highly depends on human experience and is prone to errors, which may lead to service rollback. Huawei's iMaster NCE-Fabric provides the Level 3 autonomous driving technology for data center networks to intelligently identify service intents and convert them to network configurations, implementing automatic application launch within minutes. Now, let's look at how to use the application launch function. First, we log in to iMaster NCE-Fabric. Click the Smart Assistant icon on the right and click Application Launch. Application launch consists of 4 phases: intent collection, solution recommendation, solution simulation, and configuration delivery. For intent collection, we need to specify the applications to be launched, services provided by the applications, and requirements of the services on the network. On the intent collection page, we enter an intent name, associate the intent with a tenant, and create an application model. We can neither import or customize the application model. Here, let's customize an application model. We first create an application model, and then add security zones based on service security requirements to isolate services. Take the common web database app model as an example. We can add 3 security zones: web, database, and app zones. For each security zone, the system provides a network segment resource pool that is the CIDR and a mask in the lower right corner. Services in each security zone use the IP address ranges and masks in the corresponding resource pool. After adding security zones, we need to create services in each zone. Take the payment application of a bank as an example. The payment application includes the bill query, database, payment, and authentication services. The bill query service has low security requirements and is deployed in the web zone. The payment and authentication services have high security requirements and are deployed in the app zone. These 2 services can be distinguished by specifying different IP address ranges for them. The database service has the highest security requirements and therefore is deployed in the database zone. After all services are created, we can add those that need to communicate with each other. If some services need to access an external network, we can create such a network. In this example, the bill query, payment, and authentication services need to access the database service, and only the bill query service needs to access the external network. After the preceding operations are performed, application model customization is complete. Now we go to the next phase, solution recommendation. iMaster NCE-Fabric intelligently provides candidate network deployment solutions based on the collected user intents using AI algorithms. Here, 2 solutions are offered, and we select the recommended one. If the candidate solutions do not meet requirements, Click Design and adjust the network solution. Generally, the recommended solution is sufficient. Now we enter the third phase, Solution Simulation. We click Simulate, and iMaster NCE-Fabric will simulate the current solution. If the status of all the simulation results is success, the configuration can be delivered. We can also click View the Simulation Report Evaluation to obtain detailed simulation results. For connectivity simulation, we can click Customize to check whether nodes on the network are reachable to each other. After confirming the simulation results, we come to the last phase, Configuration Delivery. We click Configuration Delivery. iMaster NCE-Fabric delivers the configuration and then displays the configuration delivery results. After the configuration is successfully delivered, the bill query application becomes available for mobile banking. This video introduces the application launch function of Huawei's iMaster NCE-Fabric. Through intent collection, solution recommendation, solution simulation, and configuration delivery, iMaster NCE-Fabric shortens the network deployment time for application launch to hours or minutes, significantly improving the network deployment efficiency. Well, that's all for this episode of Test It, Believe It. Thank you.